what data science actually is. Forbes magazine reported a survey where they asked different data scientists what they spend the most time doing. And they said building training sets, 3%, refining algorithms, 4%, other tasks, 5%, mining data for patterns, 9%, collecting datasets, 19%, and 60% cleaning and organizing data. So, 80% of their time they spend collecting datasets and cleaning and organizing data. Why? Because of the rule garbage in, garbage out. To have a good model, you need good data. But how fun is it? What's the least enjoyable part of data scientists? They also asked to that group of data scientists, and the answers were mining data for patterns, 3%, refining algorithms, 4%, other, 5%, building training sets, 10%. So most of them don't mind doing these tasks, I would say. Collecting data sets, 21%, and cleaning and organizing data, 57%. So nearly 8% of these data scientists, the tasks that they least like are the ones they spend the most time on. Let's see here some descriptions about the data science work. For example, Mike Driscoll on data munching, he said that it is a painful process of cleaning, parsing, and proofing one's data. Josh Wills, former data science director at Cloudera and Slack, he said, I'm a data janitor. And Big Data Borat said that data science is 99% preparation, 1% misinterpretation.